Today we've got an old one. We've got a first gen Cummins in the yard. This is a 93 D250. Take a look around it. There is no body panel on this truck. It is good. That's the bad news. This flatbed could be used, but it would need some work even. It's pretty bent up here in the back. So there's just nothing good. Well, the hood's good. We've got a good hood. And the inside is even worse. I was hoping, usually you can tell on one of these 90 to 93 speedometers, you can tell if they're good if the odometer is not sitting at 000.0. But even though this one's not, we've tested this one and it's no good. Under the hood though, this one looks fairly good. And we'll have a video here at the end of the start and run, and it sounds like an old Cummins. The rest of the truck will fall apart around it, but that motor, won't be anything wrong with it. If you got any interest in any of these parts, call us at 270-842-1595.